Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Don't miss out, hit subscribe now. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to incorporate an image into your project using the image widget. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to incorporate an image into your project using the image widget. We'll start on the main page where I want to add a logo just before the KS Academy text. First, press Enter and start typing image to insert an image widget. Let's name it Logo. Now navigate to the Properties tab and you'll see a parameter named File Name. This parameter retrieves images from a specific directory in your project folder. Navigate to your project directory, then to Static, then to Assets, followed by Skin, and finally into the Images folder. Once there, copy the logo image you wish to use into this folder. After pasting the image into the directory, go back to the Properties tab and enter the file name of your image, making sure to include the correct extension, such as PNG or JPG. Once you've set the file name, adjust the width of your image widget to 150 pixels to ensure it fits well within your interface. Save your changes and press Deploy to update your application. After deploying, refresh your page and you'll see the logo appear in the top left corner of the main page. This logo can now be used throughout your application wherever you need an image. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your application's appearance and user interface with customized images. In this tutorial, we added a custom logo to our project using the image widget. We inserted the widget, named Logo, on the main page, then uploaded our image to the Static Assets directory and set the proper file name in the widget's properties. After adjusting the image size and deploying the changes, the logo appeared on the top left corner of our main page, enhancing our application's interface. Next time, we'll start building the product planning module to expand our application's functionality. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all our latest tutorials. Don't miss out, hit subscribe now.